Best method of prospecting is going to be to actually call people. I know that doesn't fit with the laziest method of prospecting, which is to spam the hell out of them on email. However, the reason why that's your best method of prospecting is because nobody's calling anybody anymore. My calls to me personally have dropped off by 75% in the last 3 years. You would think, with all the technology out there, by the way, there's 4 times more companies that will give you access to my mobile phone number, by the way, if you want it, 720-660-3202. I can't believe he gives out his mobile. Because there's a million things you can buy where you can get it, right? There's 4 times as many companies. I'm not gonna name that, Zoom Info, Lucia. There's a million ways you can get somebody's mobile, yet nobody calls anybody anymore. They send out these emails. I got an email yesterday from the CEO of an artificial intelligence company that was a page and a half long. Her name was Meg. Hi, Meg, wherever you are, right? And she's like, oh my God, we love your sales process. It would fit perfectly with our AI. We would like for you to consult us and we'll give you an ownership stake in the company. Do you think I call Meg back? Absolutely freaking not. Because if Meg doesn't have the wherewithal to pick up the phone and call either me personally on my mobile, which I give out publicly, or my company, 800-628-1456, I don't want to do business with that person. And I don't think I'm the only one that feels like that. So many of us are like, I don't know why sales is so hard. But you go, I remember 400 years ago when I was single, if we had email then, do you think I'd be able to get a date with somebody by sending out 450 people an email saying, I'm single and I like to mingle and I'm available Friday, right? How is it that we can't figure that out? Call the damn people, right? Hey, I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. You and I are connected, blank, through LinkedIn. You and I are connected because I manage all of the medical practices. You and I are connected because I work with CMOs. Whatever it is, find a connection. I wanted to reach out to you personally because I have an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. They'll call you back. That's the best method of prospecting.